Okay, I'm gonna be explaining how you get motion pictures like this onto your stream. So what you need to do is you need to go into your settings, which I use OBS. I don't use Sony Vegas. I got a request by CSGOAllen to make this video, so I'm making this for CSGOAllen. But if anybody uses OBS, this is how you do it. First, actually, you need to go online. You need to download a picture, so I'll go ahead and do that for you. Give me a second. You need to save the image as, and then I'm just gonna save it as what it's right now. It's gonna save as a GIF already. Now you're gonna go down into your sources. You're gonna right click, add image, and then you'll name it whatever you want to name it. And then when this screen comes up, it's gonna ask you if you want to put a color profile, your opacity, check for file changes, use a color key, your color that you want to make it, similarity, your blend, browse. You need to browse for your image, so I'm going to browse for it and put it there. So one sec. Okay, so I browsed, I found my Goku GIF that I saved it as. I'm not going to change the color of it, but you can. You can change the opacity of it. The opacity it makes it to where you can see through the image. So if you didn't want it to be like completely solid, you can change it to like 50% to where it's see-through. You can change it to 20% to where you can barely see the image, whatever you wanted to make it. I'll show you examples right after this. Then you can, I guess, check for file changes. If you check that, any changes that you make to the image personally after you already set it to your stream, it'll automatically make the changes for you on your stream. You won't have to go in here and manually change the picture. This actually comes in handy for your overlays. You won't have to come in and manually change your overlay over and over again if you keep changing it. So like for this, okay, so now we have the GIF added. If you want to move the GIF, you have to go down and edit scene. Make sure that you have this clicked. Each one, if you want to edit a source, you have to click that source, and then you can edit that source. So you have to click it. So I'll just go through and show you like each source that I'm editing, and I'll move it around. So each one individually. Okay, so here's the original image that we just went and got and downloaded. Now I want to resize it. I already clicked edit scene. You need to click it to get the red outline around it. If the red outline's not around it, then you can't edit it. So I'm going to add the red outline around it so I can edit it. Now you can resize it. You can right click it to do other things, but we're just going to resize it right now. If you want to get the image to not be on top of other images, if you want it to be underneath like this image, you need to like you need to move it up and down in your sources. So just watch. You need to change the order of it. So I'm going to go to order. I'm going to right click my source that I want to move. So I'm going to right click Goku, GIF, order, move down. Okay, it still didn't go. So I'm going to order, go down. Okay, now it's underneath. But now it's covering up his face on that window. So I can either do one of two things. I can leave it like that. I can resize it to make him like be seen, but then it's not the same size as the other picture. I can just change that size of the other picture, or I can just go up here and change the size of this window. I don't ever have this window up, I'm just doing this for this video, but just to show you how you can manipulate images and windows and move them around on OBS. But I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing in what's it called? Sony Vegas. That's how you get motion images to be on your stream. I hope this helps you out, CSGOAllen, and anybody else that wants to figure this out. Thanks for watching.